Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to resize row and column of table in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to resize row and columns of table. Firstly, insert a table. Go to the insert menu and then click the table option. Then insert a table. Now we want to resize row and column to this table. Click the inside of this table and show the icon. Then move this icon left or right to resize the column. You can resize row of this table. Show the icon this row line. Then move this icon to resize the row. Now we can see we resize row and columns this table very easily. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.